So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I teach you how to create new style of compositing with using Avid Render. So firstly guys, see that's my general and delete all objects. Yeah, and next one guys, I use plane. So I increase plane size. So go to scale size. I like 10, alt 10. Yeah, right. Okay, so next one guys, I use this time landscape. Yeah, and guys go to back here and increase size. So press S letter and increase size like this. Yeah, so guys I increase height. Yeah, so go on left side, so little bit down and back. Yeah, right. Okay, so now rotate this landscape like this. Yeah, and duplicate. So go on here right side and increase size. Press scale. Yeah, and guys rotate like this. Yeah, okay, so guys last one, again copy this landscape. So go to back. Yeah, and increase scale size like this. Yeah, it's really good. Okay, so little bit back. Yeah, okay, so guys now all is good. I apply 3D object. So guys go to file and import, and see guys that's my ABC format file, this one. Yeah, and see guys that's my file. So also guys I change scale size, this one. Scale size I like 0.1 and import your object. Yeah, it's good. See, right. Okay, so now guys little bit change scale size more. So press S letter and change. Yeah, go to back. So up. Yeah, good, right. Okay, so now guys little bit rotate this object. Rotate. Yeah, and rotation like this. Yeah, it's good. See, okay, so guys all is good. Now I apply cloud effect. So guys go to add and volume, this one. I have VDB file. So render. See guys that's my VDB cloud file. So import. Yeah, right. See guys that's my file. So scale size change. Guys scale size like this. Yeah, and little bit up and go to back. Yeah, okay, so guys select this landscape and I go on here material and create new material. Yeah, volume, and guys I change color. Guys color I like white. Yeah, and density I like 2. Yeah, so now guys that's my cloud. Okay, so guys copy this cloud. So press shift D and go on here little bit up. Yeah, okay, so guys that's my simple cloud. Okay, so now next one guys I apply light. So use area light, this one. Yeah, and go to up and rotate this light. Rotate like this. Guys rotation, this one I like minus 90 degree. Minus 90. Yeah, and go to here and little bit back. Yeah, okay, so guys I change this light power. I like, guys that's my blue like 2000. And guys color I take blue. So color code is this one 0.65. Yeah, and S I like 1. Yeah, see guys that's my blue color. So guys I go on here. Yeah, okay, so I change increase size like this. So go on, click on here, and yeah, see guys, that's my composition. Okay, so guys, now select this one, light, and little bit back. Yeah. Okay, so guys, select this cloud, this one, and down like this, and select this one, go to up. Yeah. Okay, so guys, select this light, this one, and now copy. So go on here. Yeah, and rotate this light, guys, rotation. So go on here, rotate your light. Yeah, so rotation 180 degree. And guys, I change color like 1. Yes, good. Okay, so guys, now go on here, background, and background color I like black. Yes, good. So now I take camera. So I take camera here. Yeah, and guys, press 0 and select your camera position. So go to back, camera position back. Yeah, and little bit up, more. Yeah, see guys, that's my camera angle. It's good, right? And 50 mm is good. Okay, so now guys, I create material for this solar planet, this one, sphere. So unfold this layer, and see guys, that's my sphere. So go on here, shader. Yeah, and create new material. So click on here, new material. Yeah. Okay, so now guys, holding shift key and press A letter and apply image texture. Yeah, image texture, color. Guys, I have some texture. Guys, see, that's my Mars planet texture. So import and connect with this one, base color. Okay, so next one, guys, this one, metallic, I like 0.5, and specular I like 1, and roughness is good, 0.5. Okay, so now guys, same, shift A and type your color red. And next one, guys, I take bump map, bump. Yeah, so go to here, and guys, this one, color, apply on height, and this bump connect with normal map. And guys, that's my texture, also connect with color ramp. Yeah, so go on here. Yeah, so closer. See guys, that's my beautiful texture, right? Okay, so guys, now next one, you can change also UV. So same, shift A and mapping. And next one, guys, I take texture, chord, this one, coordinate. Yeah, and guys, this one connect with, so guys, select this object, connect with vector, and this one. And guys, see, that's not correct, so use spherical. Yeah, this one is good. And guys, I change also rotation like this, change randomly rotation. Yeah, okay, so see guys, that's my beautiful texture. And now guys, I create material for this ring. So go to on here, solar ring, and select this first, this one. So create new material. Yeah, and guys, I change material type, use emission, and change color. Guys, color I like 0.85. Yeah, like pink color. And strength I like 100. Yeah, right? Okay, so guys, that's my first ring. Now I apply this same material and all object ring. So select this first one and select all, right? That's my ring. So guys, go on here and object, guys go to link, use link material. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys go on here. Yeah, strength is good. And away, guys go to on here, render setting, bloom power, ambient occlusion check, and render I like 512 and viewport 512. Yeah, and volumetric, guys tile size I like 4, and samp, this one samp I like 5, actually 256. Yeah, and guys go on shadow, volumetric shadow like 128. Yeah, right. Okay, so guys all is good. Go to back and set your camera angle. That's my camera, it's good. So guys, last one, I create material for this plane, this one plane. So go on here, shader editor, and guys unfold layer. So go to on plane, this one, and create new material. Yeah, that's my new material. So guys, same, go to search and image texture, enter. Yeah, so go to open, and guys see, that's my texture, float texture. So connect with this texture, this time on roughness, connect, and change base color. I like guys black, Z black. Yeah, really good. See, okay, so now guys as the same last one, shift A and type color ramp. I create bump effect, and next one I apply bump map. So take bump, yeah, and this color apply on height, and guys apply on normal map. Yeah, so guys this one color same apply on color ramp. Yes, see guys, that's beautiful, right? Okay, also change guys now UV. So shift A and search and type mapping. So click, and next one texture coordinate, this one. So guys this time this vector connect with image and UV to change vector. Yes, and guys also change scale size like 3, 3 and 3. Yes, really good, right? Okay, so now go to 3D viewport, and guys I change camera angle. So go to on here, camera little bit back, little bit. Yeah, really good. See guys, that's my beautiful cloud and my object. Okay, so guys select this cloud, guys size change little bit, so press scale size, little bit more change, and now guys I go on here, that's my light, set light, go to back, go on here. Okay, so guys you can change also light intensity. So like 1000 is good on red light. So press 0 and camera angle is good. Okay, so see guys, that's my beautiful composition, right? And guys now I change only position, this one cloud position to little bit up, and select this one and position little bit change and up. Yes, right? Okay, so see guys, that's my final effect. It's really good. So I show you my final render. So go on here, render, and see guys, that's my beautiful final render like this, right? Okay, so guys last one, I create material for this landscape. So select this landscape, this one, and create new material. Guys color I like dark color. Yeah, dark color, dark gray, and guys, roughness is good. So now select this one and apply same dark material, and this one and dark material. Yes, much better, right? Okay, so guys, last one, color is good. So guys, go to solar and disk. Guys, you can increase more glow effect, is dependent on your work. This one, strength like 150 is also good. Yeah, and guys, go on render setting. Render setting is good. Okay, so guys, that's it. My final effect is finished. This one, it's really good. Go to render and create render image. So guys, that's it. If you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.